If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad what you see, it if you want it. If you like it, then you should've.
That smells good. I feel like a teacher or like a librarian with these glasses on.
Oh, you're just really gorgeous.
Oh,
I used to. I was like, oh my god.
Thank you.
I can't wait to go to Switzerland. But I am way behind on packing.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Has it really been 3 or 4 months since my last vlog? My last vlog was my Puerto Rico vlog, and I just can't believe that time is just flying by. Before you know it, we're gonna be in fall. I honestly can't wait for fall because I'm ready for the fall fashion and the decor. I can't wait for it. I'm also excited for Halloween. I have a couple of ideas planned for Halloween, a couple of excursions that I want to do, and I can't wait for the festivities for Halloween. What's on the agenda for today? I don't really have anything planned specifically, but right now what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about getting a car wash because I have this membership with this car wash company. They're doing like this 30-day free trial. So I don't have to pay for the car washes. Right now they're free, so why not just get a free car wash? Also, Kylie Jenner just came out with these perfumes. I think they're called Moodstones. They're 3 perfumes and I want to smell those. So I'm thinking about heading to Ulta to check those out. If I like them, I'll probably buy a few. I'm also thinking about heading to the mall to maybe get an outfit for tonight. Like I said, I have nothing planned specifically, so you know, just to have an outfit just in case I want to go out on like a solo date. I went to Target and I got the Oura Ring. That one's $3.99?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so I'll take this one. They just came out with a new one. I think it's the Oura Ring 5, but I decided to get this one because of the gold in this ring. The gold in the new ring is a lighter gold and my jewelry is not a lighter gold. This ring matches my jewelry, so that's why I got this one. This one is a lot cheaper than the new one. This one was $3.99. The new one is $4.99, so I got that one. I also have to finish my nails. I did one hand, but my other hand is not done. These are the nails that I'm wearing. These are by Paintlab, chrome French nails. Like I said, I did one hand, but I still have to do this hand, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Made it to the bank. I'm gonna be adding some money to my savings. You guys know I like to take out 500s and add that to my savings. All right guys, let's go. Cashmere Muse. This one's my favorite. That smells good. So I like Cashmere Muse. Yeah, that's the one that I like. That one's my favorite. These are the notes. How much is it? $68. I'll probably just get the travel size one, which is $29. These are the travel size ones. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am currently downtown in the city. I'm going to be trying a new coffee shop. It's called Blink Street. I'm not a coffee drinker, so I'm definitely going to be getting a matcha. The matcha that I'm getting, I believe it's called coconut cream matcha. It looks so good, so I'm going to try that out for the first time and see. If you hear noise in the background, it's because I'm wearing my bangles and they're annoying. I just found out about this coffee shop not too long ago. They have a few locations, but I believe this location's in the mall somewhere. I feel like a teacher or like a librarian with these glasses on. These are from Urban Outfitters. They're like the 90s slim reading glasses. I thought they were cute, so I got them. Obviously, they're not prescription or anything. TV. Heels on. Hi. Can I get the coconut cream matcha?
Coconut cream matcha? Yeah. And did you want that smaller bit?
What sizes do you guys have?
This is the big and this is the small.
Okay, so I'll get the big one.
And is coconut milk okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Anything else for today?
That's it.
What's a good name for the order?
Madison.
Madison? Alright, your total's gonna be $7.92. Just have the tap with the then you'll be all set. Thank you. Also, you're just really gorgeous.
Oh, you too.
I was like, oh my god.
Thank you. You too. I'm gonna try to get on the ferry because I heard that they have free ferry rides, and I just think that's so cool. I just put my car through a valet. They're gonna hold it for a little bit, and I'm going to get on the ferry, and this is going to be so cool. The background's so pretty, right? Encore is just beautiful. I'm in my car right now because I'm going to be heading to the mall to get a massage. At the mall, they have these spa places that you can just walk into and you can get like a 30-minute massage, 40-minute massage, an hour massage. I also want to see if I can get an outfit for tonight. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing, but I do know that I want to head into the city to, you know, kind of like dilly-dally over there, do something over there. I'm thinking about going back to Encore. They have this nightclub inside of the casino. I've never been to it before, so I'm thinking about just, you know, going there, do like a solo date. We'll see when I get there, but for right now, that's what I'm thinking about doing. I definitely also want to take pictures. That's the main thing, is that I want to take pictures. It's so beautiful over there. The background, the scenery is just perfect for pictures. a night out in the city. I'm off of work tonight, so you know, just go there and see what it's giving. But right now I am going to stop at Dunkin' because I've been getting this strawberry refresher. It's so good. And that's what I'm feeling for right now. If you guys want to know about my glasses are from a store called, I believe it's called Francesca's at the mall, but I think they closed down. So they were having a sale when I got these, and I was able to get two. I was able to get these ones, and I was also able to get the ones that you guys saw in my Puerto Rico vlog. Those ones in my Puerto Rico vlog and these ones were on sale. I think it was like buy one get one or something. I've been loving this style of frame. I don't know. I just think it looks so cute.
I'll be right with you.
Okay.
Oh wait, I need the large ice butter pecan first. Where's that one? What can I get for you?
Hi, pickup order for Madison.
Do you have a Madison? You have the on the go, right?
Yeah, the mobile app.
Yeah, you can pull forward.
Oh,
Pull
okay.
forward.
Thank you. They seem like they're busy today. Thank you. Can I get a straw, please? Yeah. Thank you. There's a car behind me. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so I made it to the mall. Here's a little OOTD. Just something simple. I'm waiting to use the family restroom, but it's occupied right now, so I'm just in this area. It's called the mother's room. I think it's for women that have children. Maybe they can come here to relax. It's a cute little area. It's like a lounge area. After this, I'm going to go to the spa. So yeah, let me go check and see if the family restroom is still occupied. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am going to be taking myself out on a date, a solo date, to a restaurant in the city called Capri. Recently, I discovered that TikTok is really good for finding different places because there's like a lot of different reviews and stuff on there. So I went onto TikTok and I found this restaurant called Capri. They have this popular honey bun and it looks so good. I can't wait to try it. I'm excited. It's some type of bread and it has like honey on it, I believe, and sea salt, and you dip it in ricotta cheese and it's like olive oil. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. That's the reason why I'm even going here, because I want to see how that tastes. And I also was looking at, I think it's some type of pasta. I think it's called rigatoni pasta. That looks good too, so I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get the honey bun, and I'll probably get like a mocktail. We'll see. It's a date night, solo date night, taking myself out. Let's go.
Everything.
Good.
Very good.
You good? Yeah.